Hello, it's Jennifer, Divine Threefold. I hope everyone is great. And thank you for joining me on this video. Yes, it's time to move our bodies because it's always a great time to move the body. So I have missed doing these workouts with you guys. Thanks for being so patient with my absence. And I hope you enjoyed my vlog of sharing just a little glimpse of my trip. Thanks also in advance for bearing with me because I'm a total amateur and I did the best I could. I'm still learning, so hopefully my apologies ahead of time. But we are today back on to the Basic Mat series, and we are going to be doing a few exercises, but this is number 3. Yes, number 3 in our little new workout series that we started. And this is definitely going to be an intermediate level. And we're going to be working with rolling like a ball, double leg stretch, and the 100. So I recommend if you're a total beginner to Pilates, please refer, I'll put it in the box here somewhere, to refer to my mat work series, and then there you can learn each exercise at a time. And I really recommend doing that before you jump into this series. But I also don't want to discourage anyone, and if you'd like to give it a shot, you feel up to it, you're not suffering from any sort of injuries, then I welcome you. And I also will always, like I do my best, to provide modifications. And with that being said, please have a mat, something soft. So you wouldn't want any hardwood floor. You need carpet's fine, or some sort of mat, because we will be rolling on the spine. So let's get started. Get your mat and I'll meet you there. Okay, let's do this. Let's get started. We're going to lay flat back on our backs on our mats. I'm going to leave my hair down. Caution for my ladies. If you have a ponytail, since we're going to be doing rolling like a ball and laying on our head a lot, it can be troublesome. So I'm leaving mine down. It can really hurt you with a ponytail, so be careful where your ponytail is positioned. Okay, so go ahead and lay back onto your back. Let's bring our knees into our chest. Take a moment here just to check in. See how your body's feeling. I know mine is rusty. I did lots of yoga on my retreat, and lots of walking, but it was a very strict schedule and we didn't have a lot of time to do a lot of other stuff. So it was a lot of study. It was so wonderful. And I will be sharing things that I learned with you all in the future. So excited about that. So just start to breathe here, roll around back and forth on your sacrum. I always start here. This is an excellent place to start. We are loosening, releasing the lower back, the sacrum. We're stretching those hips. If you want to open your legs a little bit more to feel a deeper hip stretch, you're using your arms to press down, so you're getting a little stretch in there. A couple more breaths. Maybe make some circles with your knees if that feels nice. Make sure to go the opposite direction. And if you need more of a warm-up, please pause the video and do so. We are going to really warm up those abdominals and get a killer abdominal workout. But if you feel like you need more, please pause. And let's go ahead and take a full stretch here. Arms reaching all the way overhead and toes. Imagine them reaching away from your body as far as you can. And take a breath here. Excellent job. And then just bring your knees back into your chest. And we're going to take some kind of these dead bugs. We're going to extend our legs out and our arms out at the same time, and then bring them back in. So out and in. Keeping that lower back glued into the mat. And as well, really wake up those abdominals, engage them, pulling that navel to spine. And you inhale as you come back and exhale as you extend out. Inhale, exhale. With our breath, we're getting that oxygen moving. And hello, abdominals. Couple more here. And release. Bring those knees back into your chest. Rock back one time. Go ahead and take your hands behind your thighs. Come up to seated. Knees still towards your body. We're going to get in our rolling like a ball position. So go ahead. You can always have your hands clasped a little bit more in rolling like a ball. Traditionally, we have our palms resting lightly on the front of our shins. Remember, for my beginners, the goal of rolling like a ball is to keep as tucked as possible. You're going to use those abdominals for that control. It's an excellent exercise because you end up working those abdominals to the max on trying to control your body and the roll. Then also the key is not to balance once you get to this spot when you roll up. Also, we will not roll on our neck. So you basically stop at the tip of your shoulders and you come back up. And again, the goal is then to balance here and keeping everything tucked as tight as possible. So let's try that. Inhale and then exhale as you roll back and then roll up. You're just rolling on that spine and use those abdominals to control that movement and keep you steady. Excellent job. A couple more, play with that. And exhale as you roll back. You can always think also as like doing a little tiny C curve before you roll down. And that's going to help keep that tuck position. Couple more. Don't let these fool you. We're getting a massage on our spine, but we are working those abdominals. And we're going to go back for this one. We're going to come up here and we're going to open our arms and our legs. If you're a beginner, just stay right here at sort of a tabletop. If you're more advanced, you can straighten the legs. Hold here. If you're really beginner, just put your feet down lightly. Lean back. You're still getting the abdominal work. And breathe. Then come back in that tuck position. Inhale, exhale, up again, and extend out. And hold here, and then back in. Another time. Hold, extend out, back in. One more time. And up, hold, open, hold. Excellent job. Now go ahead and lay back down. We're going to have our hands come behind our head lightly. Remember, don't pull on the neck. Keep the knees in this position. And you're just going to draw your knees towards your forehead. In this little movement here, which you will feel a large burn. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. You're going to feel those transverse abdominals. Couple more, you've got this. Now we're going to bring in our knees to our double leg stretch. So bring your knees in again and then extend out arms and legs. Then bring your arms back around, circle around to your knees and pull them back in. Inhale, exhale. Extend and exhale. Keep those abdominals. Don't let your lower back peel off the mat. If it does, don't put your legs so far out. And out and in. Out, in, out. You've got this. 5, 4, 3, 2. Squeeze those knees. One more. Nice job. Bring those knees into your chest. You're almost done. We're going to outstretch now for our 100s. Pump the arms. Legs can be up towards the ceiling, or they can be further out. Don't let the lower back peel off the mat. And you can take a breath to prepare. And as we exhale, bring out, and we're going to pump our arms. You've got this. This is the finisher. This is going to mold and shape those abs. Breathing through your nose. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engage those legs and pot. One more. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And release. Bring the knees into the chest. Roll around on that sacrum. Take a breath. Oh. Roll up to seated. That was wonderful. You can repeat that again if you are feeling just that dynamic energy today. But this should be enough. I am sweating, and I hope that you really felt that. But that is a perfect, wonderful little great way to move your body. Not too long, not too short. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I can't wait to see you next. Go ahead and continue to stretch out, or please grab one of my stretch videos in my playlist of relaxing the body. So it's always a great time to move the body. I will see you again soon.